Hey friends, this is Mayank, founder of Archidev, and in this video we're going to talk about functions in Swift. So guys, what are functions in Swift? In a simple language, if I would define it, so I would say function is just a set of statements which are organized to perform a specific task. So if I'll give you a real life example, then I would say that I am recording this video through my phone right now, and if I click on the camera button, the camera will eventually initiate itself, right? So then you can use other features of it as well. So there is a function behind the camera button which would work when you will click on that. So that is a simple example to just relate you with the real definition of functions. So I hope you guys are clear now what is function, and to know more about functions I will describe it more in my next video, like programmatically how do we write functions and what are the other various features of functions that we can use in Swift. So guys, I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe my channel for more such videos in future. And please consider following me on Twitter. My Twitter address is written in the description down below, as well as on my Facebook page. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.